So here we have the Audi TT on a 57 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space available as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge in the middle at the top, and the speedometer on the right-hand side. Within the speedometer, you can see the total miles for this car. They are only 56,585. And in the center, we have the main trip computer, which includes a digital readout for the speedometer, and it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we're in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have the minus and plus pedals so you can change down or up a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. We have our stereo controls on the steering wheel, and we have cruise control down here as well. Over in the center, we have the main screen for the car, which includes satellite navigation. That's the menu we're on at the moment. You can access any of the other menus using the buttons along the bottom here. For example, of course, your radio. These four corners here relate to these four buttons here. So if you want to change the wave band you're on, you'd press this button. And you can see we've got FM, medium wave and long wave, and you can select them by moving this dial, as you can see just there. And it works the same when you want to listen to your own music as well. Top right hand corner, and then you've got your CD player just there, and you can listen to MP3s via the CD player as well. You've also then got the volume for the stereo just here as well. Below that, we have our climate control. You can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on. You can, if you wish to, hit this button here. What the car will then do, and you can hear it doing it, is take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain this temperature. Any manual adjustment will turn auto off straight away again. We can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over there. We've got a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat as well. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. From down here you can raise and lower the spoiler. You can change the suspension to make it firmer. We can turn our electronic stability program off with our hazard warning lights as well, and this button will reset the tyre deflation warning system. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.